Hello class. This is a brief video that will cover Module 10. I'm just going to give you a little overview of our activities for the week, starting with our lesson topic of financial planning, which covers one of our 6 P's, which is plan. So our lesson for this week is all about financial literacy. You will research your desired school and calculate how much it will cost to complete your degree, and you're going to create a budget that will include educational costs for up to 1 year and reflect on how you intend to pay for your education. Hopefully by the end of this unit you will be able to create an improved budget to include educational costs for 1 year, analyze your financial plans for your education, and reflect on what you learned about financing and education. The learning activities for this week is your pre-work. There is a financial literacy with grad ready module that you must complete, and cost of college group presentations will be done as well. I sent an email as well as an announcement because those will be done online versus face-to-face. Please see the announcement and the email. For graded activities, you will be doing discussion board number 7. You're going to complete your cost of college individual budget, and you also have to complete a mandatory assignment, which is your co-curricular and reflection number 3 on personal connection, and I will go through those today. As a reminder, we will not meet face-to-face in class on July 9th. We will meet online. You need to log into Canvas by 8 o'clock. Each group will submit their presentation or a video of the group presentation by 11:59 on July 8th, and submit actually the presentation itself into Module 9 under graded activities. Each group has been given a discussion link based on your college of choice. The team lead should type in the name of the college, the type of the college, and a list of all team members with the initial post for us to respond to. Once you log into Canvas, each student will be expected to critique 2 group presentations. I need to see depth in your critique, meaning you need to point out specifically what you liked about the presentation and or specifically an area or areas that could use some improvement. It goes without saying that your critique should be tactful for this discussion. Please respond to 2 group presentations. And again, this will count as class attendance. Once you submit your response to the presentations, you will get counted as attending class for that day. So now I'm just going to move forward on with the Module 10 pre-work, which you need to get done before class on Monday. And basically, all the information is here to help you filter through information that you're going to need and different terminology that's going to be used. There's a video out there, Why Grad Ready, and to help you create a budget. And all of that is important for you to get your assignment done for this week. It's important that you you work through the pre-work activity so that you can learn everything you need to know. As far as discussion number 7, you're going to research 5 budgeting tips to share with the class. You'll submit your initial post and then review and critique 2 of your fellow classmates. It's important that you do that by 11:59 on Saturday at 11:59. As I said, you'll be doing a cost of college individual budget assignment, and this is the assignment, and basically it's giving you all of the steps to be able to get this done. You will determine the cost of college for your educational career by researching the cost of tuition for Valencia as well as any college or university you plan on transferring to. Your assignment will consist of 4 parts. The first part is your transfer institution. It tells you the steps that you need to identify, and you should refer to your academic blueprint assignment, part 1, which you did last week, to get this done. Step 2 is to think about why you selected the school and 3 interesting facts related to the institution that were factors in your decision process. Part 2 is estimating your cost of college. Follow these directions to create a grad ready account, and it's listed for you stepped out. You will complete path 1, paying for college in grad ready. The paying for college dashboard will display sections related to the following financial skills, and then you will get them done, and then you're going to submit your transcript at the end. You must get these done completely to get full credit for this assignment. You will earn a badge for each quiz with passing score, financial plan, or budget you complete or create. You are required to complete all quizzes and activities in Path 1, Paying for College, located in Grad Ready. After your successful completion of all Paying for College quizzes and activities, you will receive a total of 9 badges. And then you just follow all of these steps to complete your account, so you know how to set up to actually complete the quizzes. And then you need to submit your badges at the end as part of the assignment as well. Part 3 is you're going to create a personal budget for yourself. And it tells you what to do. You're going to create one that's tailored just for you. You're going to provide an explanation of your budget and expenses that you have outlined in your personal budget as it relates to your education. Part 4 is to write a personal reflection essay. Analyze and discuss your cost of college and personal budget in a written reflection. Your essay should include the following minimal components. When reviewing your cost of college or university estimates, what surprised you the most about how much it will cost you to complete your degree? Explain why this surprised you. How do you plan to pay for your college or university? Be specific. And how could you use your personal budget to help defer the cost of your education? It talks about what needs to happen next. You're going to click the name of the assignment. You are going to click browse and upload your account page, your grad ready showing 9 out of 26 badges, plus your personal budget and personal reflection. All of these components must be submitted for this particular assignment. And then, of course, your last assignment that you'll have to do this week is your co-curricular, which I'm going to bring here for us to go through as well. And so you're going to be building a network through LinkedIn. So step 1 is you're going to Google yourself, and then you're going to answer the questions here. Step 2 is to create a LinkedIn profile, and it gives you the instructions on how to create it and how to create your profile. You can customize your visibility, create unique URL, that's totally up to you. Copy and paste your URL in this box. Step 3 is to make connections, and it gives you directions on what to do. And then step 4 is to begin networking. This is important for you to get done, as well as submit your normal your reflection response written in an MLA format based on the guidelines of the actual assignment. So you will complete that assignment as well as follow these steps. And it gives you the social media network and online module for instructions and reflection. And you can access a LibGuide here to help you with this particular assignment. Again, we will meet in class on Monday, online, not face-to-face. If you should have any questions, please feel free to email me through Canvas. I look forward to discussing cost of college presentations with you on Monday online through our discussion board. Thank you.